Hey, it's Goran with Century 21 Action. If you're watching this video, it's because I sent you a link with upcoming open houses for this weekend. I'd like to share a couple of tips with you to make this weekend a little bit easier for you when you're touring the open houses. A lot of buyers try to avoid open houses because real estate agents are trying to sell you, right? They're trying to sell you and collect your information. One way to get around that is by providing a business card and saying that you're working with a realtor and they should back off. So below this video or in the email that I sent you, you'll be able to see this business card that I have here. It's a digital card. Just go ahead and click the link. It'll open up what you see here on the screen. And you'll just show this to the realtor and saying, hey, I'm working with Goran. Make sure to only show them the card from your phone and not share it with them. Because if you share it, they're going to see the phone number it came from, which would be yours. It'd defeat the purpose. It's a great way to get the agents to back off for asking for your contact info. And if they do have an open house sheet, you could go ahead and fill in my info there and say, Goran is representing me, and they will, again, back off. So that's tip number one. And tip number two is when you're touring these properties, it's going to get kind of confusing to remember what property had what detail. So as you're going through the list of properties that you want to tour, what I suggest doing is you click on a property. Let's say you want to tour 2947 North Kilpatrick this Sunday, it looks like, April 8th. So you'd click on the property details, and you'd want to save to favorites. Now, if you haven't already registered, you could go ahead and register now. I'm going to go ahead and create an account here. Now, you could add your phone number here if you'd like. I do not call anybody and bother anybody. I only work with people that want me to contact them. You're going to enter the CAPTCHA here. Now that you're signed up, you'll see how you could get back in there. But what you do is you save it. Let's say you wanted to save this property. And we'll go through and save a couple more. You know you're going to tour. So let's say you're going to tour Ridgeway here. Let's save that one. And we'll add one more. Let's say you're going to tour North Lawndale, 3728 Lawndale. We'll add that to the favorites as well. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the business card. So when you're at the open house, all you have to do is click on the link here from the business card. You'll log in with the email that you used, sign in. There is one step that I forgot. You do have to activate. So I'll go into my email and activate this account. So this is the email that you'll get to activate the account. So you're going to activate your organizer now. You'll click that. And then now when you come back to this page again, you'll click sign in from your phone. So you might want to activate the account before you go to the open house. And then you'll see my listings here button. You'll click that. And it'll take you right to your saved properties. So let's say you're over at Lawndale at the open house on Sunday, and you're visiting and you want to add some comments. You'll click comments, type in whatever you'd like, and save it. So then when you come home after your touring of multiple properties on Sundays or any open houses that you go to, you can always come back and review your notes and see which properties you did like. Thanks again for being a subscriber. If you like any of the properties that you tour on these open houses and you want any more information on them, you could call or text me anytime with that business card, or just go ahead and call me at 773-273-9155. I hope, again, this is helpful for you. Look forward to helping you find a property. Talk soon.